Hi there. Are you struggling working long hours, overtime, double shift, struggling with the rising cost, making ends meet these days? Let me help you with that. Hi, my name is Maria Garly. I am from the Philippines and currently living here in Norway. I am a single mom with 3 beautiful kids. I work as a health worker and also a digital business owner. What I offer is a proven and affordable systems that allows people to create their own online business. We provide sales tools, system, training, coach, and mentor to guide and help you become a successful business owner. Regardless of your business backgrounds or business skills. We have a system that's literally been designed by an expert to work everyday people like you and me. In fact, our system is so effective that in just 7 years, we already helped a thousand of peoples all over the world. And if you think you want to learn more about this business, just register your name and your email address to my website www.mariagarly.com and I will send you the complimentary webinar. And after watching the video, if you think this business is for you, just connect with me and I'm here willing to help you. See you in the inside. Bye.